welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I probably noticed that I took a little break. I didn't post anything after Thanksgiving, which is Friday and Monday. You know, my usual upload days. I just took a little time. You know, my kids were all from school, and yeah, we just had a little good time, so I apologize for that. But anyway, today I am back with another video, and I did a little damage over the Black Friday. So at some point I was just saying to myself, please, emails, stop coming, because you know everybody's announcing all this extra sales, and you know it feels like my inbox was just filled to the brim with discounts and emails and all that stuff. So anyway, obviously I had to take advantage of some of them, and Fashion File, if you're familiar with the Fashion File, they announced some discounts as well, you know, some extra 10% off and so on. So I have decided to order a handbag from them, which is a Chanel handbag, and I already opened it. I couldn't wait. It came 2 days ago, and I just had to see it. So but this is the box. If you're not familiar with the Fashion File, that's pretty much, you know, what it looks like once you receive it. And the handbag I ordered came with the original Chanel box, and let me show you guys. I was so excited about this bag, so let me just show you what I've got. This is the old style box, by the way, that you just open from the top. And the handbag that I purchased, oh my god, it's so beautiful. So it's this gorgeous, I don't even know the name of this bag, to be honest with you, but it's this gorgeous patent leather, kind of a burgundy color Chanel handbag. And I feel like it's just, oh my god, when I saw this online, I just completely fell in love. I have never seen this bag before. It's so I don't really know. I think it was one of those seasonal limited edition. I think it's fairly new, maybe 2 years old, and it was in excellent condition. Looks pretty much brand new to me. It has this is like a caviar leather, and then front and the back is all patent leather. So you know, it has a little bit different look to, you know, typical Chanel, but it's on a smaller kind of size. If you remember, a couple of months ago I had a vlog sale, and I did end up selling my wok, which was pretty much too small for me. So I was thinking that this handbag can actually replace my wok, because it does have, you know, double strap, as you can see in here, but I can just pull it out like so, and I can actually wear it crossbody. So this was like kind of my main idea of, you know, I can kind of have this little small bag, and I carry it most of the time crossbody because I'm so into crossbodies. But anyway, let me show you around, because I feel like this bag is just so beautiful. First of all, it features the antique hardware. So when my husband looked at this handbag, he said like, the hardware is so dirty. And I told him it's not dirty, it's just the way it is made. And what I liked, for example, if you look at those grommets here on the top, they have a CCs. Normally you'll have like, you know, like a circles, you know, like a typical round grommets. These are actually like CCs. And yes, they look like they are a little bit dirty, but no, it's just, this is just the way the hardware, you know, is made. It's like an antique gold with a little bit of, you know, like a black, and the same up front. It's the same kind of an idea, and there is a little, also like a little plaque that it says Chanel Paris here on the side. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. It's very lightweight, so that's what I really, really like. And the strap also features like this little extra, what does it says here? It says Chanel Paris, yeah, pretty much. So there's like a extra little plaque or whatever it is. So it can be a little bit annoying, I think, but I don't know, we'll see. So it looks like a typical, you know, classic Chanel bag. It has a little pocket in the back, so you can probably put a cell phone if you don't have any maxi size cell phone, probably it would fit in here. And then let me open up. So again, just a turn lock, typical for Chanel. This is how the bag look inside. By the way, this is the fashion file tag. So here is the bag, all lined in this beautiful burgundy color, and the zipper pull here on the little pocket is still wrapped in the plastic. So this bag is basically new. I also have the authenticity card that came with the bag, and this is 21 series, so you know, it's probably a few years ago. But again, I have never seen this kind of bags before, so I was not familiar with this style at all. But yeah, this is what I end up purchasing. So I love this bag. I really love this bag, but there's a few things that does bother me about this. So I'm kind of not sure if I should keep it or I should maybe do something else with the money and buy something else. So first of all, the chain is very thin. It doesn't look like it's, you know, like it's very fragile, but it's very thin. You know, I do own a classic flap, double flap jumbo, and you know, obviously the chain is a lot thicker. I tried some boy bags in the past. Their chain is pretty big, so I feel like this one is just tiny. I feel like it's even maybe smaller than I had it on my walk. So maybe because of that chain, this handbag keeps like slipping on my shoulder, so that annoys me. But because I was thinking that I can most of the time wear a crossbody, that wouldn't be really a problem. So yeah, probably just the chain is like my main kind of complaint. Other than that, I think I'm loving the bag. I put my stuff in here yesterday just to see how much it will fit. It filled pretty much anything that I want. You know, obviously you can not overstuff because it's a small bag. I think it's about 10 inches, you know, long. So, but you know, it has it's bigger than the mini for sure, so it will fit a lot more. So what do you guys think? My husband doesn't like this bag. I mean, he said, you like it, you keep it. You know, obviously I bought it because I like it, but he doesn't think it's worth the money. This was almost, I paid almost $3,000 for this bag, so I feel like it's a little bit on the pricey side for something that I feel like it was maybe seasonal. But let me know what you guys think, because I do love this bag. So you know, I would like to keep it, but again, I'm just going back and forth now. See, if my husband would say, I love it, keep it, that would be a different story. But now that someone is doubting it, I don't know how I should go about this. So I'm asking you guys, what should I do? Because I think the bag is absolutely stunning. And I do love the patent leather. I do have a red clutch from Chanel, which is a little bit larger than this, has a shorter chain. But I absolutely love it, and it's also patent leather. My husband thinks that a red bag is so much better than this. Even my kids were not too, you know, too crazy about this color. So I don't know. Is it the color that's putting people off a little bit? I don't know. I just feel like it's so pretty, but yeah. I would like to hear your opinion, because like I said, I absolutely love it, except the chain. The chain is just kind of something that bothers me, so I don't know if I'm gonna completely be in love with this. And I don't know. If you have a boy bag, please let me know, because the boy bag is still on my wish list. Is the chain also rolling off your shoulder? Because you know, I loaded the bag and I want to make sure that it's gonna stay, and just keeps rolling off, even though there's a little leather piece, and one side is patent, one side is matte. So I want to make sure that I'm on the matte side. It was still rolling off my shoulder, so I don't know, should I just walk like this? I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a little bit too picky, but you know, for that price, I want to make sure that I am fully happy with this handbag. So let me know what you think, and I'm gonna still sleep on it, and you know, see if I'm gonna keep it 100%. But I do love it. I do love it. So help me. So anyway, that's it, you guys. So I just wanted to show you this handbag and honestly ask your opinion. What do you think? Yes, because I'm right now, you know, because my husband said that he doesn't like it, I'm kind of going back and forth. So let me know, what do you think? Should I just go for my ideal bag would be the boy bag, the new medium size, which I mentioned many times. But the problem is I keep, you know, checking the Fashionphile website because I don't want to buy new. I want to buy used but in excellent condition, so I can save a little bit of the money. But the problem is I cannot find the one that I truly love to pull the trigger. Yeah, because I can certainly, you know, use this Fashionphile credit and just put that money towards the boy bag or just something else. I don't know. But let me know, what do you guys think? Do you like this bag? Do you think it was a good choice? I like the look of it. Alright, if you want me to show you the rest of my Black Friday purchases, I got quite a few nice things, so let me know. I can certainly do the video and show you the rest of the stuff, but yeah, I wanted to do this one by itself because I really need your opinion. So please let me know, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.